Hey dyers, contractors, and woodworking enthusiasts. Are you ready to take your craftsmanship to the next level? Whether you're building decks, crafting intricate moldings, or tackling a major home renovation, having the right tools is critical. And today we're breaking down the top 5 best cordless miter saws of 2025. From power-packed features to unmatched portability, these tools redefine precision and convenience. Stick around as we dive deep into the DEWALT 20V Max Makita XSL06 PT, MILWAUKEE 273420, SKILSAW SPT70V01, and Metabo HPT C3610 DRA to help you decide which saw deserves a spot in your workshop. Make sure to check the description box and the first comment for links to all these amazing products. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more tool reviews. Let's get started and find the perfect cordless miter saw to match your needs. DEWALT 20V Max Cordless Miter Saw. The DEWALT 20V Max Cordless Miter Saw is a game changer for woodworking enthusiasts who value portability without sacrificing precision. This lightweight tool is powered by a 20V Max battery, providing ample runtime and consistent performance. Its XPS cross-cut positioning system projects a bright, shadow-free cut line, ensuring pinpoint accuracy on every cut. Weighing just 31 pounds, it's perfect for job sites and smaller workshops. Its impressive 4000 RPM motor handles materials like pine, hardwood, and composite boards effortlessly. With a 714-inch blade, it's ideal for baseboards, trim work, and even framing projects. Curious to see why this saw is a favorite among professionals? Check the description box for a direct link to purchase this versatile tool. Makita XSL06 PT18 VX2 LXT lithium-ion brushless cordless miter saw kit. Next up is the Makita XSL06 PT, powered by two 18V batteries for a combined 36V of power. The brushless motor ensures long life and consistent performance, while the automatic speed change TM technology adjusts torque and cutting speed depending on the material. This model features a 12-inch blade and a unique dual sliding arm system, allowing smooth and precise cuts at multiple angles. Its compact design minimizes workspace clutter while maximizing cutting capacity. The saw also boasts LED lights and a laser guide, making it a favorite for professionals working under tight deadlines. Ready to add it to your arsenal? Find the link in the description below. MILWAUKEE 273420 M18 Fuel Cordless Miter Saw. The MILWAUKEE 273420 M18 Fuel combines raw power with smart features. With the PowerState TM brushless motor and RedLink Plus TM intelligence, it provides unbeatable performance and safeguards against overheating and overloading. Its shadow line cut system ensures every cut is flawless, while the dual bevel functionality allows for precise angle adjustments. You can expect up to 400 cuts per charge with the M18 Red Lithium TM battery. Whether you're a contractor or a serious dyer, this saw's unmatched efficiency will make every project easier. Check the description box for a direct purchase link. SKILSAW SPT70V01 15A 12-inch dual bevel sliding miter saw. The SKILSAW SPT70V01 is in a league of its own, delivering unmatched torque thanks to its 15A warm drive motor. Designed for heavy-duty applications, this saw is perfect for cutting through large lumber, framing, and molding. Its 12-inch blade and dual bevel system allow for precise angled cuts on any material, while its durable build ensures longevity. If you're working on big projects that demand power and precision, the SKILSAW SPT70V01 won't disappoint. Want to see it in action? The link is waiting for you in the description. Metabo HPT, formerly Hitachi Power Tools C3610 DRA 10-inch compound miter saw. Finally, the Metabo HPT C3610 DRA is a cordless marvel that redefines portability and precision. Powered by a 36V multi-volt TM battery, this saw offers smooth performance and extended runtime. Its standout feature is the laser marker system, which ensures precise cuts every time. The ergonomic handle and lightweight design make it easy to maneuver, even during extended sessions. Whether you're cutting intricate trim or tackling framing projects, this saw is a reliable choice. Don't wait, check the description box for the product link. Thanks for watching our in-depth review of the best cordless miter saws in 2025. These tools are perfect for every skill level, from beginners to seasoned pros. Remember, you'll find direct links to all the products in the description box and pinned comment below. Don't miss out. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel. and turn on notifications so you never miss an update on the best tools in the market. Which saw caught your eye? Let us know in the comments. Until next time, happy woodworking and see you in the next video.